Hello, everybody, and welcome to Repair and Restore. Today, I have some new tools with me. Actually, I'm going to talk about the air compressor first. I got some free tools, and they're all non-functioning. So let's see if we can bring them back to life. Okay, so let's get to this compressor first. It's an older ABAC or ABAC model compressor. Uh, it has a 50-liter tank and 2 horsepower electric motor. And here's the plate if anyone is interested. Uh, I don't know much about it. I tried to plug it in. It just makes a sound like the motor is stuck, stalled, or maybe the what's it called? The condenser is bad. So we'll see. We have some dirt to clean out. I don't know if you can see that in here, but it's pretty dirty in there. Plus, I already unbolted or actually unscrewed these two screws to take off this cover. It was more like this. And I can't seem to get it off. It looks like I'll have to take the engine apart or actually disconnect it from the tank and remove the filling pipe to actually get this plastic cover off. Okay, so I'll set you guys up somewhere around here. Let's see what we can do. The bolts are fairly rusted out, but still going. Okay, lovely jubbly. Yeah. Come on. Uh-huh. Let's see if this thing spins. Oh, well, a bit, kind of. It's a bit stuck, but yeah, it spins. That's good. Oh yeah, looks like the capacitor is bad. It's bulged. And if you can see that it has a bulge here, that's probably the problem. Let's see if I can get you a bit closer. You see that? I don't have a cap tester. I'll have to get that, but I'm guessing that's the issue. So I'll clean this up a bit, move it aside for now, and I'll see if I have any spare capacitors that would fit this. Okay, I got a new capacitor or condenser in for this compressor, so let's see if that will fix our problem. This should be straightforward to change out. Put on the nut on the new one and just screw it in by hand. Perfect, even the threads seem to be very similar, so we have it in the similar position. Okay, that's about it. I haven't really put this on very well, and I haven't connected the air line, of course, but I'll just hold it here and it should be good enough for testing, just to see if it runs. Okay, plug it in. Let's see. Works nicely, I think. Yeah. Beautiful. I love it. I love it when it's simple. Well, I love it anyways, if I get it fixed. But now I'll clean this off. I think I'll use a brush or something to get this dust and dirt off. Maybe put on a coat of oil on these parts that started rusting. But yeah, put it back together then, see if it brings the pressure up. So I had to pull this motor off and the pump and everything to get this plastic off. So I'll have to clean it, get it together, and then hook it up and see if it's all good. But yeah, I think I'll do that and get back to you guys then.